Well, I went home, took a shower, and then went out.
Did you eat in a restaurant?
Conversation.
Hi Mary, what did you do last weekend?
I did a lot of things. On Saturday, I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought a new dress. I also saw a movie at the cinema.
Which movie did you see?
Jurassic Park 3.
What did you do after?
Well, I went home, took a shower, and then went out.
Did you eat in a restaurant?
Yes, Tom and I ate at the Green Steak.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, we enjoyed our dinner very much. And you, Peter, what did you do last weekend?
Unfortunately, I didn't go out this weekend.
What did you do?
I had a cough and a fever, and I stayed home.
Poor you.
New words. Weekend. Do you have anything planned for the weekend? Dress. I have the beautiful white wedding dress. Enjoy. I really enjoyed that movie. Dinner. The restaurant is open for dinner from 5 p.m. to 10. Cough. The smoke made me cough. Fever. He's got a headache and a slight fever. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. Often we specify when something happened. Yesterday, 3 weeks ago, last year, when I was young. Did you watch that film yesterday? She left it last weekend. When they were young, they hated dogs. The simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that has already happened. The simple past tense emphasizes that the action is finished. I work at Microsoft from 2005 to 2009.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what topic you want to learn. See you next time.